Alright, so this is my garage. Now I want to do some reviews. That's my bike. That's my grandma's car. My garage. Dirty, messy. My house, or car alarm over there. Alright, so my garage. Keep it this way. There, Lawnmower. There's a thing back there that's pretty cool. A snow blower. Heck with the kickstand. My brother's bike. It's a kind of, it's a nice bike. Kickstand's bad. I don't like regular bikes. They're hard to pedal. Like that. The seat's crooked, I know. And then that. This, it is in 7-1. It's Mongoose. Got Schwinn. Alright, so we will pull up the lawnmower. Oh, there's a jack on that. See? Car jack. Oh, I'm gonna break it with my sheer weight. Ugh. That's not fun breaking stuff. There's a chainsaw back there that I want to pull out. Even can. So, last video I think I made was on, oh, hold on, there we go.